to my channel. So for today's video, it's very spontaneous me filming this because, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, I am filming something very exciting and something that I have never ever filmed before on my channel, which makes me even more nervous and excited for it. So on Instagram and YouTube, I've seen so many people scream and shout about so many different beauty subscription services, and I have never given in. I've never subscribed to anything, although now I've subscribed to one. I think I've got the subscription fever now, and I want to subscribe to some more that I've seen that look really good, and I think like comparing them as well might be a good kind of series of video. But I've now got my own, like my first series of videos, which is unboxings, because I gave in and I subscribed to Birchbox. Now this literally arrived today, which I'm really excited about. My grandma brought it around because we get everything delivered to my grandma's, because there's no point getting it delivered to ours because we're always at work. So yeah, if you want to see my first impression reactions to the products in the January Birchbox, then carry on. I'm gonna open it up. I believe this is a collaboration with Rochelle Humes, which, if you watch Love Island, her sister Sophie Piper is on Love Island, which is really exciting. Oh, look at the box. Oh, it is. It's Birchbox and Rochelle Humes. So my first one is a collaboration box, which is quite exciting. And I'm going to keep the boxes, if they're nice, and use them for like storage. Oh, wow. Oh, look. Oh, I have got a little bit of a sneak peek, but this is what the box looks like. So that is what we're looking at inside. Let's have a... Oh. Look, I just love how you sort of pull it out. I'm definitely keeping this box. So let's have a look. Oh, there are some brands I have seen before. Oh, right, so I'm going to start with this. So you get a mini of the Moisture Balancing Combination Conditioner from Philip Kingsley. Yeah, I'll do a little close-up, but I've never heard of this brand before. But I'm definitely up for trying it, because I've mentioned in previous videos I want to try new sort of hair product. Ico, which I have heard of before, which I'm really excited to try. This is the Ico Sport Waterproof Mascara Catch and Curl Black. Make your perfect lashes your goal. I have heard of Ico. I've just never touched it because it's quite pricey. Oh, I love that. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to go off, but it's actually one of those tube mascaras. I think that is so cool. Oh my goodness. I'm really excited to try that. What colour is it in? Is it in black? Yeah, good, because personally I only use black mascaras, so I'm thinking about testing, like doing a video testing Birchbox products once I've got enough, or just might include them in like a full face first impressions or something. So let me know if that's something you're interested in the comments, but very excited about. It's a Green Frog Botanic formula with 85% natural ingredients, natural body lotion. No, I don't really use body lotion, so this is something I could potentially put in a giveaway or give to one of my friends or family. Let's see if I can... Oh no. So it smells, doesn't really have a real smell. It literally just smells like argan oil, which I'm assuming is the idea since it's got sweet argan in. Yeah, I'm going to give that to either one of my friends or family, or put it in a giveaway, because I'm not going to use this. But that's really nice though. It smells really good. And argan oil has amazing properties for your skin, but I've just got plenty of argan oil products already. But yeah, that's really cute. Oh, glow. So this is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil, illuminating milk. So this is 100% cruelty-free, no mineral oils, no something or others, no parabens, vegan, hypoallergenic, nourished with coconut oil and coconut and argan oil, cruelty-free and vegan-free, vegan, and impair pressure. Glow Milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne-coloured liquid highlighter. Ooh! See if I can open this without wrecking the packaging, because I'm probably not going to keep this, only because I don't use liquid highlighters because I just don't think they look good on my skin. However, this would be perfect as a little extra in a giveaway. Oh, look! That is so cute. And that is a lovely shade as well. I just think it's also a bit too dark for me. But I love the name Pear Pressure. That's what it looks like. That is really cute, and it's got like the little pipette style thing. I really do like the look of that. That's really cute that they've included that in the box. Let me just put that back in. And this is probably what I'm excited for the most. I'm not gonna lie. So it comes like this, and this is something that I did have an idea would be in here. and I've seen these all over the internet and I have been absolutely buzzing. Yeah, it's one of those facial, like the stone facial rollers. Oh my goodness, that's so heavy. Oh look, I have wanted to try one of these for ages. I did try, I think, a cheap Primark one and it just wasn't that cool, but that is so like, feels really nice and cooling. So please correct me if I'm wrong. You may need to let me know in the comments, especially what these are for, but I think it's obviously for cooling and de-stressing the face. Thing that I'm pretty sure I did see that be included and that I was most excited about because I've wanted to try like one of the proper decent ones. I know they say they'll all do the same, but I just think there's something a bit more nice about the bit more bougie ones. And then in the bottom of the box, I have got a new look. For the love of fashion, 20% off your next purchase. Shop styles you love for less. Now, I don't actually have a new look near me anymore because it closed down. However, there is one in the local town near to me that I can easily get to by train. But it is valid till the 29th of February 2020, so I'd have to go before I see Malika in London. So I'm seeing Malika on the 7th of March and there's a really nice new look in London, but I won't be able to use that then. So I'm really happy with this. Like, for my first one, I am really, like, it was a really nice pick. Now, I don't know whether that's because it's a collaboration with Rochelle Humes that they put extra nice things in. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you know more about Birchbox. Basically, if you know about Birchbox, you've got any good feedback for me, any good recommendations, then let me know in the comments, please, because obviously I'm completely new to this. And if there's any like makeup specific like subscription services that you know of, please let me know in the comments, because that would be also really handy, because I want to do like just a makeup based subscription service. And if you're wondering what my budget would be, it'd be £30 per box, which might sound a lot, but you know, sometimes you've got to spend a bit more. So if you know any brands that do that, please let me know in the comments and I can do more of these kind of videos for you. But for my first one, I'm really impressed. Considering that I'm going to use like 3 out of 5 products, I think that's really good, because I know sometimes there may be some products that none of them you use, who knows, but I'm lucky that I can put the other products to good use. I can put them in giveaways or give them to friends and family. So, but I feel really lucky to have got the things that I've got, because I know these brands are not cheap. And I got this one for £5 because I used a discount code, because it's my first ever Birchbox, and I got free delivery as well. So yeah, so no, I didn't, sorry, I had to pay, but I got discounted delivery, so I only had to pay £7.75 for this. Yeah, I am very excited to try these, and yeah, I think it's a really good selection. Really like the layout and design of this box. I think it's really nice, and I love marble and rose gold, so it's like they literally just dipped into my soul when they created this box. So yes, that is my unboxing and first impression of my first ever Birchbox. If you would definitely like to see a series made out of this kind of video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. I think I will anyway, because it's just something that I'd be interested in doing, since it is a monthly subscription box. But yeah, for my first one, I am very pleasantly surprised. I was a bit anxious because obviously you don't get to pick the products. They're hand-picked for you. It's a complete surprise. So yeah. But I'm very excited to continue getting these and potentially trying other brands as well. But yeah, I'm really happy I've done this now, because I'm so excited. Like, they've done well. That's everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.